my life. I've got 2 pence to spend and 2 pence to lend and 2 pence to send home to my wife. Who I no cares to grieve me, no pretty little girl to deceive me. I'm happy as a king, as we go rolling, rolling home, rolling home, rolling home, by the light of the silvery moon. I'm happy as a king, as we go rolling, rolling home. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass my time away. Can hear the whistle blow, rise up so early in the morn. Can hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Strumming the old banjo, singing V5 Fiddle-I-O, V5 Fiddle-I-O, V5 Fiddle-I-O. Strumming the old banjo.
Class year of MPT, from 1937 until class, ano ba yan dyan? 2023. Bravo. Ang class namin is ito ang sa amin, Ay, sorry, Samba. Ayan. Parang Thundercats ba? Ito pala yung mga lineage ng Mac-making awardees. Sa class namin si Cadet Hussein. Sa kanya pala lahat. Dito naman sa Club Top 1 awardees. Sa Commanding General awardees. Dito rin. So same rin si Hussein. Mabangis.